Did you know that 65% of relationship breakdowns happen not because of major conflicts, but because of gradual emotional disconnection? Today, I'm going to show you why retention strategies aren't just for business. They're crucial for keeping your relationship alive and thriving. Hi, I'm Evelyn Stonebridge, and after 2 decades of counseling couples, I've discovered something fascinating. The same care and attention we give to maintaining our homes or cars often isn't given to our relationships. We assume love alone will keep us together. Let me share something that happened in my practice last week. A couple, we'll call them Sarah and Mike, came to me feeling like strangers, despite living together for 5 years. Like many couples, they'd mastered the art of existing together, but had forgotten how to truly connect. Today, I'm going to share 5 retention strategies that have helped hundreds of couples transform their relationships from autopilot to deeply connected. These aren't just theories. They're practical tools that work in real relationships. First, the daily connection ritual. Spend the first and last 5 minutes of each day in genuine connection. No phones, no distractions, just presence. Research shows this simple practice increases relationship satisfaction by 34%. Second, the appreciation practice. Share 3 specific things you value about your partner daily. This rewires your brain to notice the positive, preventing the common trap of taking each other for granted. Third, the growth investment. Just as you'd invest in your career or hobbies, invest time in learning about your partner's evolving dreams and fears. People change. Your understanding of them should too. Fourth, the emotional bank account. Make regular deposits of kindness, attention, and care, building a buffer for challenging times. Small gestures matter more than grand ones. Fifth, the curiosity commitment. Approach your partner with the same curiosity you had when first dating. Ask questions, show interest, and never assume you know everything about them. Let me share what happened when Sarah and Mike implemented these strategies. Within 2 weeks, they reported feeling more connected than they had in years. Why? Because they stopped assuming their relationship would maintain itself and started actively nurturing it. Here's what's fascinating. Couples who practice these retention strategies report 58% higher relationship satisfaction and are 3 times more likely to describe their relationship as deeply fulfilling. Think of it like tending a garden. You can't just plant flowers and expect them to thrive without regular care. Your relationship needs consistent nurturing to flourish. I'd love to hear about your experiences with these strategies. Share a moment when actively investing in your relationship led to deeper connection in the comments below. And if you're ready to dive deeper into relationship growth, check out my free audiobook on balancing me and we, maintaining individuality in relationships. You'll find the link in the description below. Thank you for joining me today. This is Evelyn Stonebridge, reminding you that lasting love isn't about chance. It's about choice and consistent care. Remember to like this video if you found it valuable and subscribe for more insights on building deeper, more meaningful relationships. Until next time, keep nurturing your connection